Hey dolls, welcome back. It's Unya, and today we're going to be using everything that came in our Boxy Charm Fenty box. You heard me right. You're using the Moroccan Spice palette. Everything else we got, and you're going to see this amazing lipstick and matchstick that I got. So sit down, grab a Dr. Pepper, and keep on watching. Now, what's going on with y'all? Today, my husband and I took our daughter to go see the new Sonic the Hedgehog movie. It was so adorable. Oh my goodness. And Jim Carrey just killed it as Dr. Robotnik and Eggman. Oh, I loved the ending. It looked like a teaser to something else. Something that's yet to come. But today it was surprisingly warm. I mean, it is becoming March. And it's starting to get a little warm in Texas, but unfortunately, we really didn't have a winter. And that kind of bothered me a little bit, I wish we could have had an actual winter, so, we could have had some fun. All right, so I have primed this eye because we're going to be doing this eye on camera and this one off. So let's take our gorgeous palette. We're gonna dive right into this color, and that is Cumin Get It. And we're going to take just a little, brush and just cut out our crease with it. And just start defining the shape that we're going to do. Oh, that's a nice color. Sometimes I like my transition colors to be a little bit, on the darker side, because I do like very, elaborate colored eyes. And I do know that I need a strong base color underneath there. Because if I put a white underneath, I feel like sometimes it can wash out the actual color. So as you see, I'm defining my crease right here, and then I'm just lifting it up right out close to my hairline. And we're also gonna bring it back down right here. All right, so now that that is all set, I'm going to dive in with a little packer brush. And I'm going to take the shade Evil Genie, and we're going to dive on in, and we're going to just define that out and have this beautiful, jasmine-inspired smoky eye. Oh, that looks beautiful. Love how that looks. And make sure to blend in with that nice tan color. Excuse me, the nice Cumin Get It color. So now that I have a good definition of that color in the crease, I'm also just gonna, push it up just a little bit, help bring it out. All right. And now I'm going to take this shimmer shade right here, which is Mirage. I'm gonna just actually take my finger and I'm gonna put that on my actual lid. Now for me, that actually isn't enough gold. So you know what I'm really gonna do? Girl, I'm diving in to Trophy Wife. Hello! And we're gonna put that sucker on the lid with our finger. And that is going to be pigmented, okay? So y'all, sound down below if you like my new setup. You know, it's not completely done, but I'm really taking what I've done, and it just, like, I'm really surprised I have this much room in my bedroom to actually have a big setup like this. It's awesome. Oh yeah. Oh, definitely. That's the color we're looking for, darlings. Yes. And we're also gonna smash that in to our inner corner to give it, you know, a very, very sparkly effect. Wow. Oh, wow, that looks so great. So now, I'm going to find a little brush so I can smoke it out. I'm gonna take my little Esmus Glam brush. I love these brushes that come with like the IPSY. That's pretty much where all of my brushes have come from. Okay, so we're going to be going right back into this color that we used on our lid, and we're going to smoke out the eye. All right, and there you have it. So now I'm gonna pop right off camera and do the other eye, and then we'll be back to highlight and lips and be set. All right, so now we have our eyes looking amazing. Now I'm gonna go in and blow y'all's mind. So we're gonna take our matchstick and we're gonna apply it like highlighter everywhere we'd want highlighter. But then, girl, then we're going over with Trophy Wife. You heard me. We're gonna be highlighted to the gods today. So let's just do it right. Oh, wow. So everybody's like, I don't like the color I got. This is a way to use it. If you put it like, you know, in the spots that you want highlight, it'll make the highlight just, it'll make the powder just stick to it so much more. Now, would I say use the chili one for this on your face first? I try it out on my arm. Never try anything on your face first that you don't know how it's gonna react. Because it might look amazing, and girl, it might look a hot mess. You don't know. You don't know. So we're just gonna tap, 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 tap. Wow. She is pigmented. Oh, wow. Oh, shut up. That looks amazing. You know, of course, you might not go this dramatic. Maybe I'm just having a C3PO moment today. Because I'm really not a big gold person. I normally love, like, my cool tones. But this little set that I've gotten, I'm feeling it. Now we're also going to take a beauty blender. Well, actually, this is the one that came in our box last month, the little Lexi one. Oh, you know, we are going to blend it out, so it's not way too drastic. And there we go. Whoo! Oh, look awesome, don't I? All right, so now we're gonna take our lipstick. And again, I know people were disappointed in the colors, But you know what? It's okay to wear different color lipsticks. I believe in having a navy blue lip or a black lip or a green one. Maybe not green, unless it's like this color. Ooh, that would look awesome. Let's go ahead and put on our lips. Wow, that color just looks so pretty. You know, I'm normally not a brown person. You know, I will do like a taupe brown or like a light brown, like a nude. But I haven't worn like a deep brown like this in so long. And it looks amazing. Oh my goodness. Maybe in 2020, we need to mix up the colors we use. Nah, we know I'm still going to use a lot of purple. Which reminds me, my Jeffree Star charm will be coming soon. So y'all better stay tuned. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share me to all your friends so they can see everything too. So we're going to go ahead and put on our Diamond Milk lip gloss from Fenty Beauty. So gorgeous. Oh, that's so pretty. Love it. Now, I didn't use the blotting paper in this video because I don't think we really need it. But we do need some setting spray. And there you have it, dolls. This is my face using all the stuff that we got in our Fenty Boxy Charm box. I love the collaboration. I hope we get some more boxes like this in the future. You know, so we can get a full face of just one brand. I love that. It's amazing. Big thumbs up, Boxy Charm. Can't wait to see what y'all do next. If no one has told you yet today, you're beautiful, you're wonderful, and you're loved. Bye, y'all. Thanks for watching.